Once upon a time, in a small village nestled at the edge of a vast, enchanted forest, lived a young girl named Ella. Ella was known for her curiosity and bravery. Every day she would gaze longingly at the forest from her window, dreaming of the adventures it might hold. One bright morning, Ella decided to explore the forest, despite the villagers' warnings about its mysterious nature. Armed with a small satchel of supplies, she ventured into the woods. The forest was alive with vibrant colors and strange, magical creatures. She walked deeper and deeper, marveling at the talking animals and the shimmering trees. As she wandered, Ella came across a peculiar sight, a golden key lying on a moss covered stone. Intrigued, she picked it up and continued her journey. Not far from where she found the key, Ella stumbled upon an ancient, locked door embedded in a giant tree. The door had intricate carving of mythical creatures and seemed to hum with magic. Ella's heart raced with excitement as she inserted the golden key into the lock. With a gentle turn, the door cracked open, revealing a hidden world. Inside was a magnificent realm with floating islands, crystal clear lakes, and creatures she had only read about in fairy tales. It was a land where dreams came to life and where magic was an everyday occurrence. In this magical land, Ella met a wise old wizard named Thorn. Thorn explained that the enchanted forest was a gateway to this realm, and that Ella had been chosen to help restore balance to both worlds. And evil sorcerers had been causing chaos, disrupting the harmony of the magical land and the village. Determined to help, Ella embarked on a quest with Thorn. They journeyed through enchanted landscapes, solved riddles, and battled mythical beasts. Along the way, Ella discovered her own hidden talents. She could communicate with animals and harness the power of the elements. After many trials, Ella and Thorne conferred the sorcerer in a dramatic showdown. Ella used her newfound ability and her courage to defeat the sorcerer, restoring peace to the magical realm. The sorcerer, now repentant, vowed to make amends and assist in protecting both worlds. With the balance restored, Ella returned to her village as a hero. The enchanted forest was no longer a place of mystery and fear, but a bridge to a magical world where Ella and the villagers could visit and learn from. Ella's adventures became legendary, and she continued to explore and protect the realm she had come to love. And also, Ella's courage and curiosity changed the fate of two worlds, proving that bravery and a kind heart could overcome the greatest of challenges.